Hi, welcome to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to attach Burp CA certificate. What is Burp CA certificate? Whenever you are using browser with an HTTPS website via Burp, the proxy generates an SSL certificate for each host assigned by its own certificate author. To use the Burp proxy with HTTPS website, you need to install the Burp CA certificate as an authorized person in your browser, so that it will be easy to find the vulnerability in HTTPS websites. If an hacker who has the private key for an Burp CA certificate, he can do man-in-middle your SSL connection without any issue. So now make sure that your browser proxy has been set and Burp intercept on. If not, I will show it you once again. Now click on menu. If you are using the new Firefox browser, select the option and scroll down, click on network proxy settings, and in that select the manual proxy configuration, then click on OK. Now open up your Burp, move to the proxy tab, next move to the option tab. Okay, here is your proxy IP address has been set. Make sure that your intercept is on. It will be default. No need to worry about that. If your proxy is not set, you cannot load the Burp CA certificate. Now moving to the browser and type http://burp. Then press enter. Here you can see the web page. It shows some information of the Burp. Now on the right side, you can see the CA certificate. Click on it and download the CA certificate. Now coming to my folder, here is the CA certificate, and then moving back to the browser. Now once again click on option tab and select privacy and security. Scroll down and click on view certificate. Here a tab pops up. Now here you can see the authorized certificates related to the different websites. So next, click on import. Now select the certificate. Click on open. It's going to ask me some trust. Further, we may not have any issue when we are using the Burp. Then press OK. Once you have imported, check whether the certificate is there or not. Okay, here is the certificate. It has been set successfully. Finally, the certificate has been set. So it's a most important part of an Burp, because when you are trying to use the HTTPS website, you need an authorization of the browser to use those websites. Further, we will look into the options and example on the Burp. So that's all this video. Thank you.